guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. I am glad that you finally found your way here. Please do not forget to click the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification so that you do not miss out on my future videos. A large percentage of my traffic comes from the US, Australia and some Asian countries, but I do get a fair amount of views from South Africa. And for those of you who don't know, I am originally from South Africa but currently in Europe. In this video, I want to share with you how you can make money online even if you are in South Africa or any other African country. I've seen a lot of videos about making money online, and most of them, they are all about making money through ads and online surveys. And please don't get me wrong, I'm not saying those things don't work, but are they really a reliable way of making money online? I don't think so. That being said, if you are looking for get rich quick schemes, amapanoi, online surveys and all those things, I regret to inform you that you are in the wrong place, because here we talk about reliable, sustainable streams of income. Not online surveys, not making money through ads or watching ads and all those things. Without wasting any time, let's get into this video. Number 1. You can make money online in South Africa or anywhere in the world by being a freelance writer. I know you probably have heard this before, but you know what you don't know? You don't know how to get started, how to apply for this job, how to actually get the job, and if they really pay, because there are so many scammers out there. I am here to answer all those questions and guide you how you can get the freelance job as a writer. First of all, yes, it does work. You know how I know it works? Because my first flatmate when I got here was doing this job, and she was working for this specific company that I'm going to mention shortly. Obviously, there are so many companies where you can apply for a freelance jobs like Upwork and many other companies, but I'm going to talk about this specific company because I know someone who worked there and was actually paid more than once. So I know the company is legit and you can actually get a job even if you are in South Africa. As a freelance writer, you can work for a company called Livingston Research, and don't be intimidated by research. You do not have to be a professional researcher in order to get this job. Even if you have high school only, you can get this job. You just have to specify your highest level of education, and you have to pick at least 5 subjects or topics of your competence. There will be a place where they ask you to put your university and your GPA. If you didn't go to university, just put your high school. Anyone can get this job. There is a language test that you need to do before you get the job, and it is not hard at all. I tried it 2 days ago. With this job, you can get paid anywhere between $150, which is 2,600 rands, to $1,000, which is 17,000 rands. And I know it sounds ridiculous, but trust me, it's not. They actually pay out that money if you do the job. If you are a university student or a graduate, that's even a bonus for you, because when you do this job, you can choose topics that are related to what you studied. And this will help you in 2 ways. First of all, obviously, because it's something that you studied and it's something that you like, it's going to be easier for you to do the job, and that means you can finish your project sooner and get more money. Secondly, you're going to gain a lot of knowledge in your field because you're going to be doing a lot of research as you are writing these articles for this company. Number 2, you can make money online by being an English tutor. If you are in South Africa, you probably know that there are South Africans teaching English in Asian countries like China, Japan, Korea, and many other countries. But what you don't know is that you can also be an English tutor online even if you do not have a degree. It is possible, but there are steps that you need to follow. To get started with this job, you need to send your CV to this email that I'm going to drop below, depending on your province. If they like your CV, they will call and interview you, and if you pass that, you'll get 10 days training. Before I go any further, guys, I've seen a lot of people on Facebook complaining about how they've been scammed by recruiting companies. So please be careful. Apparently there are companies that promise you a job. They call and they send you an email. They tell you to send 150 rand to 300 rand for criminal record check or clearance. So please be careful. If you're applying for a job online, do not pay any money. Like if they are telling you need to pay a certain amount to secure the job, run, because it's gonna end in tears. You must run. Even with this English tutoring job, there are companies that are scams, which is why I'm gonna leave the links below of companies that I know for sure that they are legit. One of the requirements as an online English tutor, you need to have a TESOL certificate. Whether you are a graduate or you do not have a degree, you must have a TESOL certificate. This is a certificate that allows you to teach English online in all these countries that I mentioned, like China, Japan, Korea, and many other countries. In some companies, you can get these certificates for 2,400 to 3,000, but I will leave a discount link below. If you don't want to pay for the certificate online, you can work for the company directly. Luckily for South Africa, there are English companies where you can go and work there. And if you go and work for the company, like not working from home, they give you the certificate for free. If you are a B.Ed student or graduate, or you have PGCE, you have higher chances of getting this job. It goes without saying that if you choose to work from home, not at the company, you will need unlimited reliable Wi-Fi, because obviously you have to have strong Wi-Fi. And I know some people are gonna say, but I don't have internet. Guys, some of you are already spending at least 300 rands on data. If you are spending that much on data only and you're not even using it to work, you might as well just get unlimited Wi-Fi. Moving on to number 3. You can make money online in South Africa as a proofreader. This is like free money if you already enjoy reading. So you can get hired to proofread other people's work. You can be proofreading blogs, articles, journals, ebook, and all those things. You can get paid anywhere between £25 for 1,000 words. It's not a lot of money, but it's something if you do not have any source of income or you want to have more streams of income. There are so many websites where you can get this job as a proofreader, but I will link below the one that I trust and I know that you can get the job, which is proofreading.com. Honestly, guys, this is one of the easiest jobs to do if you enjoy reading, because all you have to do is to proofread what someone else has already written and you point out the mistakes like grammar and spelling errors. I would personally pay for a proofreader. I have a blog and sometimes I make so many mistakes, especially if I'm typing without my glasses. Number 4. If I didn't talk about this, I would be so selfish. Because among many other streams of income, this is one of my favorite stream of income, and that is blogging. You can make money, actually a lot of money, by being a blogger. Obviously, it doesn't happen overnight. At least with my blog, it didn't happen overnight. It took me some months to actually start getting money. So what you want to do if you are starting a blog, first of all, you must choose a niche that you like. You must talk about something that you know and you enjoy, and you must not limit yourself. Like, your target audience must not be South Africans only if you're going to do a blog, because it may not do well, especially if you are a nobody like me. If no one knows you, people may not even support you, because you know how our people are. You have to be a celeb or famous before they support you. So make sure that if you are going to start a blog, you write in a way that's going to accommodate everyone. If someone from New Zealand, China, USA, Qatar type something about money and my link comes up on Google and they click on my blog, they can relate and I can solve their problem. Do not restrict yourself, because you will be disappointed. Another thing that really helped my blog was not just a good SEO, but it was Pinterest. Because guys, if it wasn't for Pinterest, I do not think I would be getting the amount of traffic that I get now. Because first of all, I'm not big on social media. I don't even have a large following. By the way, please follow me on Instagram. My point is, if it wasn't for Pinterest, I would have never gotten the amount of traffic that I have now. Every day, people find my blog on Pinterest. So what I do, even though I no longer post that much on my blog because I have a YouTube channel now, I make sure to make pins every other day. Pinterest, guys, really changed my life. I really don't think I would have the audience that I have now if it wasn't for Pinterest. How much do you make as a blogger? Do you want to know how much? There is no fixed amount. It depends on how much work you put in, not just writing the post and everything, but also marketing your blog, because the first few visitors are definitely going to be people that know you. For me, for example, when I started my blog, it had so many mistakes and I marketed it anyway on my WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. And I know some people read my blog and they were like, but I got the money anyway eventually. And right now, I am happy. So please do not be afraid to market your blog if you are going to do the blog. There are so many ways in which you can make money online in South Africa. Just that a lot of people like scams, amapanoi, WhatsApp stock fails, watching ads. Speaking of watching ads, there are websites that promise you to watch ads and they will pay you money. I remember this other time, my younger brother sent me a link for watching ads. They promised in this website that if you click on the link, they will pay you 100 rands. That's a lot of money. But as someone who has a blog and I know how Google AdSense work, I just knew it was a scam. I had to break it down to him that just by clicking one ad, you barely make 2 rands. So tell me, where are they gonna get the money to pay you 100 rands if one click is barely 2 rands? It doesn't make sense. There are so many scammers out there, and if you don't want to put in the work, you will be the victim. If you want to make a sustainable income, be prepared to do the work. Nothing is for mahala, guys. If it's free or if it's easy to do, just know there's something wrong. And that's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss out on my future videos. See you in my next upload. Bye.